Claude Design builds slide decks, landing pages, and mood boards inside the chat. I ran 3 real jobs through it. 1 paragraph prompt. Audience, 3 claims, tone, slide count. No design specs. Claude returned 12 slides with consistent typography throughout. Title, problem, solution, pricing at $7,500 a month, FAQ, next steps. 2 slides needed rewording. The structure was already right. Export to .pptx runs straight from the chat. Same brief style for the landing page. Hero, 3 benefit cards, how it works, pricing, FAQ, footer. Claude returned single file HTML with Tailwind. Opened clean in a browser on the first try. Copy is generic. Structure is solid. About 40 minutes of editing to make it shippable. Moodboard took 3 minutes instead of 3 hours. 6 directions, hex codes, Google Fonts pairings, 1-sentence vibe each. Use Claude Design for anything you'd pay $200 for as a rough draft. Need polish for a paying client? Plan to edit. If this saved you time, subscribe.